And in other news, a day after leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi hit out at the centre over the India-US trade deal. BJP leader Nishikant Dubey has submitted a notice for moving a motion against Rahul Gandhi. Well, Dubey has filed the motion against Rahul for allegedly misleading the House. The motion calls for the termination of Rahul's Lok Sabha membership and also seeks to debar him from contesting elections. Reports also suggest that the BJP may consider moving a privilege motion against Rahul Gandhi. However, news agency PTI has quoted Dubey as saying that he will not move a privilege motion against Rahul Gandhi. Listen to this.
सोरेस के साथ, USAID के साथ.
I have moved a motion in the Lok Sabha today against Rahul Gandhi on how he is misleading the nation with the help of forces like Soros, who wants to harm the nation. In the motion I have moved, I have requested that Rahul Gandhi's membership should be terminated and he should be barred for life from contesting elections.
Earlier, while speaking in the Lok Sabha on the India-US trade deal, Rahul Gandhi had alleged that Prime Minister Narendra Modi had sold the nation and the interest of its farmers while negotiating the deal with the United States. Rahul had also hit out at the government for allegedly surrendering the data of Indians to American corporations. Rahul's comments drew sharp responses from the Treasury benches. Now, reacting to the motion against Rahul Gandhi, Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has said that it will not affect him. Further, she voiced support for the strike by labor unions, saying that the trade with US will cause heavy losses to Indian farmers.
तो ये कर रहे हैं एकदम गलत हानों के साथ पूरी तरह से विश्वासघात है इन्होंने जिस तरह की ये ट्रेड डील साइन की है इससे किसानों
The trade deal that they have signed is going to incur heavy losses to the farmers. The entire labor union is on strike today and we are supporting them. They will do FIR cases and what not against Rahul Gandhi, but nothing is going to affect him.
FIR तमाम केस ये सब क्या क्या करेंगे करने दीजिए राहुल जी को